Today we finish up our hike of the western loop of the Florida Trail. So morning of day 7. Definitely a chilly start. It was very close to freezing. The phone said 32 degrees, so, but no ice on the tent or anything, so but nonetheless a cold start. Today we'll probably hike out about 18 miles, and we have one more night, which will be another cold night, and then we'll finish up the next day. Today should have some pretty good stuff. We're going through the Marshall Swamp up ahead, which has a lot of boardwalks, and I'm sure it's filled with cypress trees and things, so that should be pretty cool. And other than that, we're just going to continue on. It was cold last night, but I've been colder. But you can see I'm hiking out in a winter hat, gloves, puffy jacket, and put basically all my clothes on. So, but crystal clear. We'll enjoy this day, and I'll check back with the cool stuff, and we'll hike it out. Swamp looks pretty dry. Haven't seen any water in it. But all the wetlands that I've passed this year hiking on the Florida Trail have been dry. We didn't get any tropical storms this year really to speak of, so it's extremely dry, which might be bad for the fire season coming up. Hopefully there won't be a bunch of forest fires, but it's still pretty. Picnic table, always a bonus. Very pretty back here. The Marshall Swamp is part of the Ocala National Forest. In the late 1800s, much of this region was heavily logged for longleaf pine and cypress. Timber camps moved through central Florida, cutting old-growth forests that had stood for centuries. After years of overharvesting and wildfire, the land was badly depleted. In 1908, the federal government stepped in and created the Ocala National Forest, the first national forest east of the Mississippi, to restore and protect what remained. What we are walking through now is regrown forest and protected wetland, a landscape that has had time to recover. Marshall Swamp isn't untouched wilderness, it's restored wilderness. So morning of day 8. We had a nice campsite last night. A stealth spot off the trail, but nice and flat, out of the wind. It was cold last night. I know it was below freezing because my water had ice in it this morning. So it was chilly, but I had plenty of clothes, so it wasn't too bad. Today we've got about 12 miles, and then we're getting picked up. This will terminate us to the end of the western loop on the Florida Trail. So probably got almost half of it done already, and then we're going to get a ride back. But it's been a great hike, really. Very surprised at how it turned out. It looked like a lot of it was going to be road walk, but turned out a lot of it was parallel to roads, and there was some rails to trail and stuff too, but really beautiful sections, just really gorgeous. And so that'll be another 133 miles of the Florida Trail. Probably may do another section this year, but definitely we'll be back the end of January. It's kind of been our tradition for the last, I don't know, probably five or 6 years. But and then we're heading up to the AT. We'll do a spring hike and a fall hike and maybe another one in between. And so beautiful sunny day again, after the cold front goes through, so the weather's going to be really nice today. So looking forward to finishing this one up and getting it in the books. But appreciate you guys watching. If you would, please remember to hit like and subscribe. It takes a lot of time and effort to put these videos together, and it's always good to know somebody's out there watching. So appreciate you all. We'll finish this one up and we'll catch you on the next one. All these trees through here are leaning. Must be from a hurricane. Blew through here. This reindeer moss is everywhere. Looks like snow. It's even way back in the woods. Look at it back there. It's crazy.